So we know that the elevation increases at a constant rate. So that's going to be the slope of this relationship. And after 2 miles, I'm going to start by making a chart because those really help me to figure out. So after 2 miles, the elevation is 5,500 feet. And then after 4 miles, the elevation is 6,200 feet. So one thing I can figure from this is what my rate of change is, my slope. So 2 miles pass between this, and that also is a difference, of 700 vertical feet. So what that means is that my rate of change is 350 feet for every mile that you drive on this road. But we're supposed to find the elevation where the road begins. So that would be up here in my chart at mile 0. And that's 2 miles less than this number 2. So if we take 5,500 and we subtract that same amount, 700, from it, we're going to get 4,800. And so that's the starting elevation of this road, which is not quite a mile above sea level. And then if we have to talk about where that is on a graph, if you had a graph of it, that would be your y-intercept or your vertical intercept. That ordered pair would be 0, 4,800. So where the road starts, the elevation is 4,800 feet.